Detox or cleans the kidney and liver naturally at home. Detox drinks have been attracting people lately because they help with weight loss and cleanse the body. They are also rich in nutrients that help organs like the intestine and liver functions better. Furthermore, the drinks have antioxidant properties and are rich in fiber, strengthening your immune system and improving your bowel movements. In today's video, we are going to teach you a great recipe that will help you detox your body with properties beneficial to your kidneys and livers. In traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is the most important organ for women because it governs the entire female reproductive system. It's responsible for changes in the menstrual cycle, the presence of ovarian cyst, uterine fibroid, discharge, libido changes, and impotence. But its biggest role is in balancing our emotions. Your kidneys, however, according to Chinese medicines, are the organs associated with strength and muscular vigor. When they don't function correctly, they cause libido loss and impotence problems. As if that was not enough, our kidneys are responsible for keeping our electrolyte levels, blood and liquid pressure under control. The recipe we are going to show you right now is great at cleansing your kidneys and liver. See how easy it is. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/2 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic. Instructions: blend everything together and drink it immediately. You don't need to add any water to this recipe since the lemon juice and olive oil are already enough to blend the few solid ingredients that this recipe calls for, but you can add a little if you think it needs it. Drink this every night for 3 nights in a row just before going to bed.